Welcome to Dissection Basics. Whatever it is that you're dissecting today, these terms and tools will help you stay safe and efficient. Before you start, make sure that you're wearing closed-toed shoes so that if you drop anything sharp, your feet are safe, and that long hair is tied back so that it doesn't fall into the specimen as you work. Your teacher will let you know if there are any safety concerns specific to the preservatives that you're using, but you should always avoid allowing preservatives to come into contact with your mouth, nose, and eyes. Let your teacher know if you have any open wounds on your hands or other conditions that you feel may affect your safety in this dissection. Here are some basic terms that will help orient you when following the directions for dissecting your specimen. Dorsal means back. Ventral means belly, so dorsal and ventral are opposites. Anterior means towards the front end of the head, and its opposite, posterior, means towards the back or tail. Lateral means to the side. Keep in mind that when you see the terms left and right, they refer to the animal's left and right. So this is right lateral, and this is left lateral. You may have access to some or all of the following tools: pins to hold your specimen in place, a sharp probe or a blunt probe to allow you to move and manipulate delicate structures, scissors to cut through tissue, a scalpel to slice through tissue. A good rule to follow when cutting into a specimen is that only the person touching the specimen should be the person cutting. You will usually instinctively move your own fingers out of the way of your cuts, but you can't control someone else's fingers. You should also never use a scalpel for something that scissors will easily cut through, as scissors are the safer tool. When you're finished with your dissection, dispose of all pieces of your animal as instructed by your teacher, and carefully wash all of your tools and your dissecting tray with warm water and soap. We hope that you learned a lot from this video and are ready to enjoy discovering the hidden details of the world around you.